Yo, what's going on, guys? Helvetica here, back once again. Back living in Florida. Lots have changed, life changes, stuff happens. Anyways, I'm back living in Florida, and I have another video for you guys today. Happy Thanksgiving. It's actually Thanksgiving. I'm not eating turkey until tomorrow, though. So I'm making this video to kind of help anyone out who has a similar issue. And this issue that I'm speaking of is your oil light coming on in your 2007 to 2012, I believe. Ford Fusion V6, any car with a 3-liter Duratec V6 engine, which would be a Mercury Milan, Mercury MKS, I believe, and a couple other cars, Ford 500. Well, the reason for this is you start freaking out because your red oil light comes on, and you're like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? There's low oil pressure. You turn your car off. You don't know if you can run your engine. Well, let me just tell you guys, most of the time, you do not have a loss in oil pressure. This is a very rare thing to happen. I kind of freaked out for a sec when I saw it, but kind of immediately figured it was the oil pressure sensor, which is what it turned out to be. And right here, I will show you guys some images on screen of where it is located, and I will leave a link in the description where you can order one. They're very cheap. I replaced mine with a Ford Motorcraft one for like 20 bucks from the auto parts store. Just put the same thing that was in there before. It lasted me 100,000 miles. This went out about 100,000 miles, and I've got 117,000 on it now. So fix the issue. Really simple fix, cheap fix. Saves you a headache when you know what the problem is. So here's my 2007 Ford Fusion. And if you look over here, you can't really see the sensor from the top, but if you've ever changed the oil on these, you'll know that the oil pressure filter is down here, kind of under the exhaust manifold area. And now here I am laying on the front, at the front end of the car, looking underneath the car, coming straight forward. There's the oil pan, there's the oil filter. If you look up there behind the oil filter, where is it there? You will see the oil pressure sensor kind of tucked back, hiding back there. Just one electrical connector, and the sensor threads in. I believe that oil on my sensor is from my valve cover gaskets, but before I changed this sensor, it was also leaking oil along with the light being on. So you may have an oil leak along with your light. You may have an oil leak. This was definitely the culprit for me. But yeah, there's your oil filter. There's the sensor kind of near your alternator over there. I did have to take my oil filter out. I was doing an oil change when I did the filter. Kind of kill two birds with one stone, get it done. And it's kind of hard to get a socket in there, but if you have the right wrench, I had a closed loop wrench that I just slid over the sensor after I took the electrical connector off, and was able to get it okay and get it the rest of the way with my fingers. So it's not too crazy, but you're gonna want to jack your car up, get under there, take the oil filter off, and really give yourself some room to work with. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video on how to fix your oil pressure light coming on, the red little oil icon on your dashboard. That fixed it for me. Pretty simple, pretty cheap. Like I said, $20 sensor. Kind of hard to get to. Just pull your oil filter, jack your car up, give yourself some room. Should be fine. But yeah, thanks for watching. If this video helped you guys out, subscribe, like, and check out my other videos, please. I'll catch you next time. Thanks.